Hi, Rod Burkert here. Today I want to talk to you about decisions. We all need to make them. Sometimes those decisions are of little consequence and reversible, like what do I want for lunch today? And sometimes those decisions have a lot of consequences and they are irreversible, like do I accept this engagement? This really short video is about how to make better decisions. And I promise you will be surprised at the simplicity and effectiveness of what I'm going to tell you today. So, step one is to narrow the decision to two choices, if at all possible, like yes or no, or with or without whipped cream. Step two is to get a coin. Now, I have a quarter here, and you may think you know where this is headed, but there is a twist. Step three is to toss the quarter in the air, which really is what you expected me to say. But what you're not expecting me to say is what happens next. Step four is to catch the quarter and put it back in your pocket. Why? Because you don't need to see the quarter, the result, the heads or the tails. You need to feel the emotion of what you want the coin to land on when it's tossing, when it's flipping in the air, because that's the decision that you really want to make. Try it just to see how it works. And what if you have more than two choices? What if you have three choices? Substitute just a simple die. Option 1 and 2 is side 1 and 2, die 1 and 2. Option 2 would be die 3 and die 4. And option 3 would be side 4 and 5. It doesn't matter. You're going to toss the die in the air and put that in your pocket as well. And honestly, I've never had to make a decision that involved more than three choices. So, the insight for today is to, one, narrow your decision to two choices, if at all possible. Flip a coin, feel the result that you want, and walk away. I hope this has been useful, and if you want to turn the practice you have into the practice you want, message me with the word flip, and we'll get started on a plan for you. P.S. Note that this whole coin flip thing is not going to be something that works for cost of capital or DLOM decisions. Those kinds of things are reserved for dartboards. Just kidding. Cheers.